Hey, welcome back, Fiat fans. So my friend Twa bought some 4C ignition coils for her 500 Abarth off my web store, bookautoworks.com. And since they're so easy to install, we decided to do it in the parking lot at our monthly meet. You start by removing the turbo intake hose and then also the air inlet hose from the airbox. Unscrew the hose clamp from the airbox. Then use a screwdriver to carefully pop the air inlet hose off the airbox. Then pull the vent tube off the air oil separator. Give the airbox a little shake to loosen it up, and then you can reach behind and disconnect the last two hoses, and pop off the little clip holding the hoses to the airbox. After you've done all that, the airbox just lifts right out. Now that you have your ignition coils exposed, pull the little yellow tab back on the connectors to release them, and then pull off the connectors. Then all you need is a 10mm socket to remove the bolts holding the coils down, and with a little wiggle, the coils come right out. Take just a little bit of dielectric grease and put it on the ends of the boots for the new coils. This helps lubricate and seal out bad stuff. Line up the coil pack in the center of the hole so it slides on top of the spark plug, and then push it home with a gentle press. Reinstall the bolt with your fingers first to make sure it's not cross-threaded before trying to use a tool on it. And don't over-tighten them, they're only supposed to be torqued down to about 7 foot-pounds. Then just pop the connectors back on and push in the little yellow locking tab. Now all that's left is reinstalling the airbox. The two little hoses in the back just press into place, and don't forget to clip them back into their little holder. Massage the turbo inlet tube back into place. The air oil separator tube just slides back on, and just shove the air inlet tube back on. Tighten the hose clamp down again nice and secure, and you're done. Link for where you can buy the coils is down in the description below. Thanks for watching.